In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the issue inside of GeForce where it's not detecting your games. So let's get right into it, and the first thing we need to do is open GeForce as an administrator, and we can do this by coming over to the start menu, searching for GeForce, and just right clicking on GeForce Experience and selecting Run as Administrator. So once we've launched up the applications, we need to come over to this settings icon in the top here. Come over to Games and Apps, and first we're just going to press this Scan Now button and make sure just to select a scan location. Now I'm going to keep mine selected as the C program files, as this is where I save all of my game files. And if that scan still doesn't detect your games, then what we can do is come down to this shield option on the left, click on Add down at the bottom here, and then you just need to find the .exe file of the game that you're trying to add. Now, if you're not sure where your applications are saved, you can usually find the location just by coming over to your start menu, searching for the game that you're trying to add, and then we can right click on the game and select Open File Location. And as you can see, this is the folder where this application is saved to, but this is all going to depend on the game that you're trying to add. And then once you've done that, your game should appear now in this Games tab. Now, if that still doesn't work, we can close out of this window, and the next thing we're going to do is head over to our start menu, search for Windows Defender, and then come over to Windows Defender Firewall. From the left hand side, select Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, and we need to add GeForce to this list of exceptions down here. So just press Change Settings at the top, come inside of Allow another app, click on Browse, and then come over to your C drive, and then we need to come inside of Program Files, inside of NVIDIA Corporation, inside of NVIDIA GeForce Experience, and if we scroll down, we'll see this NVIDIA GeForce Experience.exe file, and we're just going to double click on this, select the add button. Then as you can see, NVIDIA GeForce Experience has been added down here, and we just need to make sure both private and public are ticked here, and then we can press OK to save these changes. Then once again, if we launch back up the GeForce application, we can now try coming back over to settings and then rescanning to try and find our games. And that's it guys. If you did find this video useful, please drop a comment below and I'll see you in the next one.